Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Thea Talks. Today we have Dr. Pratibha Agarwal with us. She completed her MD Obstetrics and Gynecology from Safdarjung Hospital, and she has been in practice since 26 years. She's also medical director of New Life Fertility Center in Lajpat Nagar. She is an IVF specialist. So, welcome, Dr. Pratibha. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
I hope everyone in your family is healthy and safe.
Yes, everyone is safe.
That's good to hear. So, Dr. Pratibha will ask you some questions regarding COVID infection in pregnant women.
Okay.
So, the first question would be that are pregnant women more susceptible in catching this COVID infection?
No, it's not necessary. They are catching same infection as in the general population. But during pregnancy, because of altered immune response, if infection occur, they are more prone for the severity of the infection.
Right. And if any pregnant woman catches this infection, does the virus gets transferred to the baby? So, is there any vertical transmission of the virus?
Yes, for the vertical transmission from mother to baby, either antenatally or intrapartum, probably yes, but number of female patient affected and number of neonatal affected it yet to be studied.
Okay. And what about the breastfeeding mothers? So does the virus also gets transmitted through the breast milk?
No, breast milk is safe. Virus is not transmitted through the breast milk. If mother is positive, isolation till the viral load shedding is there.
So can the mother breastfeed the child with taking all the precautions?
Yes, if mother is very much desperate to feed the baby, then she has to take all the precaution like clean the breast nipple, mask. Otherwise, we have to isolate the baby and ask the mother to express the milk and with the breast pump, and she has to clean during the expressing of the milk, and then we can feed the baby.
And what about the vaccination? Can pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers can take the vaccine?
Yes, breastfeeding mother is allowed to take the vaccine, but in pregnancy, research are going on. In India, there are two vaccines available, Covishield and Covaxin, and studies are not there for that vaccine. But in US, more than 90,000 pregnant females are vaccinated with the Pfizer and Moderna.
Okay.
Then let's hope, because it is inactivated vaccine. In my opinion, pregnant women in third trimester can be vaccinated.
India, there are no studies as such.
No study, so we are not advising right now.
Okay. So if any pregnant female gets COVID infections, so what are the treatment guidelines for her?
If pregnant patient is positive, then we have to see according to the severity, like mild, moderate, or severe. First, we have to go for the RT-PCR test. If it is positive, then we have to isolate the mother. Home isolation is there, and she has to continuously take the temperature and oxygen saturation. And 14 days, according to the symptom, we have to give only symptomatic treatment. If there is a dip in the oxygen saturation less than 95, then we have to take care in the hospital under observation of experts.
Okay, so if any pregnant lady has a severe type of COVID, so then we have to terminate the pregnancy. So is it necessary to do a cesarean section, or if a normal delivery can also happen, so we can do a normal delivery also?
Mode of delivery will depend upon the condition of mother. Note that the COVID-19 is positive, then we have to go immediately for the cesarean section. If mother's oxygen saturation is normal, she is comfortable, then we can take trial of normal delivery. Because now there are no virus in the vaginal secretion. But if respiratory distress is there, oxygen saturation is dipping, then we have to expedite the delivery with the mode of cesarean section.
So if any pregnant female in her first trimester becomes COVID positive, so what are the treatment guidelines for her?
If mother is mild to moderate disease is there, we will not advise her to terminate the pregnancy, because till now there is no study that show coronavirus have any teratogenic effect. But if mother oxygen saturation is going down, then we have to terminate the pregnancy. It should be according to the condition of mother. Otherwise, per se, MTP is not indicated.
Okay, so last question would be that how to protect pregnant ladies from getting this COVID infection?
Basically, the precautions are the same. She has to stay home, use the mask, don't come in contact with any outsider, and she has to wash her hands repeatedly. She should relax, do exercise at home, take good diet. Hydration should be good.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pratibha. We hope that every pregnant woman out there is safe and healthy and their babies are also healthy.
Thank you, Soumya Ish, for your good efforts.
Thank you, Dr. Pratibha. So if anyone has any gynae related problem, you can contact Dr. Pratibha. Her details are there in the description box. And if you have any questions or comments, do let us know in the comment box and we will reply to you as soon as we can. Thank you, everyone. Stay home, stay safe.